Clary sage oil, for hair growth. Clary sage essential oil is very potent, so it should be diluted before use. At 2% rate, use 2 drops of Clary sage oil per 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Benefits of Clary sage oil for hair. It balances scalp oils and promotes healthy scalp. Increases blood circulation in hair follicles. Serves as a natural hair conditioner. Gives the hair shine and nice scent. Makes the hair strands stronger. Helps with hormonal hair loss. Fights dandruff. Hair growth serum recipe with Clary sage oil. We have got quite a bit of ingredients in this recipe. With the help of a small funnel, pour 1 tablespoon of each of the following oils into a 4 ounces amber glass dropper bottle. Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil, and liquid coconut oil. Now, add 7 drops of Clary sage essential oil, 7 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 4 drops of lavender essential oil. To mix the ingredients, close the bottle and shake it well. How to use. Massage a few drops of this serum into your scalp for 2-4 minutes, using your finger pads. After that, cover your head with a shower cap for 1-2 hours, then wash the hair with tepid water and a natural shampoo. You can use the hair growth serum 1-2 times a week. To get the most out of it, make sure to get the quality oils.